Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're gonna do a very easy stitch, only 2 rows repeat. I'm gonna use 4.5mm crochet hook, and this stitch we're gonna chain even numbers, and after that we're gonna skip the first chain, and into the second chain we're gonna do a single crochet, and this row is gonna be single crochet in each chain, so you're gonna end up with odd number. I think this stitch is nice to make a placemat. You can make a vest, you can make an infinity scarf. The stitch is not reversible, so we're gonna do single crochet in each chain until we finish this row. Last chain, single crochet also. Okay, we're gonna chain one, turn your work, and now the first stitch, it's here. We're gonna do single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet, and this row is gonna be single crochet in each stitch until we finish this row. You can use this with any yarn size if you like, but I think this stitch might look very nice with thicker yarn. So single crochet, the last stitch, single crochet. We're gonna chain one, turn your work, and now we're gonna work this row. We're gonna work into the row below, the first row that we did. So we're gonna go right here at the corner. So we're gonna go in there, one row below, and we're gonna do a single crochet. Next stitch, we're gonna go below to the first row, underneath the first row, the second row. So the next stitch, you go below. You want to do a single crochet. Next stitch below. Next stitch we're gonna go also below. So as you can see, I think this stitch, it's nice to be worked with a thicker yarn, and in each stitch we're gonna go below. So it's quite easy to see the space underneath the stitch. So next stitch you go below, and you do a single crochet. Next stitch the same. Next stitch you go below, and the last stitch you're gonna do the same. You're gonna go below. So the last stitch is here, and we're gonna go below. Gonna do a single crochet. You're gonna chain one, and this is the second row that we're gonna repeat. The first stitch is here. We're gonna go in there and do a single crochet, normal single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet, and this row is gonna be single crochet in each stitch. So the last stitch is here. We're gonna go in there and do a single crochet, chain one, and now we're gonna repeat the row working below. So we have the stitch, the first stitch is here. We're gonna go below. So we're gonna repeat single crochet. Next stitch you go below, underneath this row of single crochet, and you're gonna do single crochet in there. Next stitch you go below, single crochet, I think this is nice to be worked with, like I said, thick yarn, but maybe you should go with half of number bigger the crochet hook than the yarn recommends. So if the yarn recommends that you should use 6.0 millimeter crochet hook or 5.5 or whatever, maybe you should go for 5.5, maybe you should go 6, or for 6.5 or something like that. So the next stitch you will go one row below and so on. So the last stitch is here, we're gonna go underneath there and we're gonna do a single crochet. You're gonna chain one and you're gonna repeat the row with single crochet in each stitch. So the first stitch is here, single crochet, and so on. Chain one, and you're gonna turn your work and you're gonna repeat, and now you're gonna work the row below. So you're gonna, the first stitch is here, you're gonna go right there, gonna do a single crochet, next below, single crochet, and so on. So you're gonna go below. It's the space is big enough that you can see, it's no problem. And at the end here you're gonna go below there. You're gonna chain one, you're gonna do a single crochet into the first stitch and so on, single crochet in each stitch, and then you're gonna repeat the row with going the row below. So this is the stitch. I think it's quite nice for a scarf, if you don't mind that the stitch is not reversible. Yeah. Well, I hope you like this this stitch. You find something, some project to do with this stitch. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.